In this lesson, we'll cover the rule wizard and how you can use it in your investigation, as well as how to create new rules. Please refer to the associated demo. The rule wizard shows the natural language editor in which we can work with the rules existing in the rule set or how we can create new rules. The top section of the rules wizard shows the various tests that we can apply and add to the rule. Simply by selecting the plus sign or double-clicking on the test, it will be added to the rule below. Note that tests are added to the bottom of the list of tests. Tests are also evaluated from top down. After we select Next, we're taken to the Response and Actions section of the Rule Wizard. From this screenshot, you can see that one of the actions taken as part of the collection's testing true is to ensure that this flow is part of an offense. This is how offenses get created. And you can see that the offense that will get created will be indexed on the source IP address of the triggering event or flow. You can also choose to annotate the event or flow. This can provide additional information to other analysts. In addition to actions which can modify the existing event or flow triggering the rule, we can also take a response. The response in this particular case from the screenshot is to dispatch a new event with the name potential botnet activity. This is how the QRadar custom rule engine generates what we would term meta events, which describes a particular pattern of behavior. You can also see that this newly generated event is going to be part of the offense that has the same source IP address. You'll also notice that there's a check mark for the box called Included Detected Flows by Source IP from this point forward for 300 seconds. This is why we saw particular flows that were not associated with the DNS traffic, but rather web traffic, simply because they were within this 300-second window. Another point is that we can also use responses to change the name of an offense. Under offense naming, you'll notice that the selection is for this information should contribute to the name of the associated offense. This is how an offense can evolve over time. Now turn to your exercises guide and perform the exercises for this lesson. In this unit, we introduce you to the concept of the custom rule engine and how to interact with it in the course of your offense investigation. You also learned how the rule wizard provides you a natural language editor to manage the rules. You also observed how a particular offense can get created and evolve over time. This is how an SIEM platform differs from, say, an IPS. An IPS generates a static alert. QRadar will generate an offense that may change over time since additional information may come in and trigger new rules that could show how an offense is evolving.